A Bird in the Classroom by Fiona Tuakoi. Illustrated by Donovan Bixley. A bird flew into the classroom. "Look!" shouted Sue Nill. "A bird!" We all jumped up to look. "A bird! A bird!" we shouted. The bird flew around and around the room. It was looking for a way out. We ran around and shouted. The bird flew into the window. Bang! It landed on the bookshelf. "Stop," I said. "We can help the bird." But the bird flew away. It flew up onto the cupboard. It was shaking. Sue Nill opened the window, but the bird did not fly out. "We can help the bird to get out," I said. "I got a sandwich out of my lunchbox." We put some crumbs by the door. The bird looked at us, and it looked at the crumbs. The bird flew down to the crumbs and out the door. "Yes, the bird is out!" we shouted.